Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to make my all-time favorite saltfish fritters. Stay tuned. Alright, so saltfish fritters is just a basic Jamaican dish. This is all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. So in a large bowl, you're going to need 2 cups of flour. Depending on your family size, you may need a little bit more, you may need a little bit less. Once the flour is in the bowl, you're going to add in your saltfish. Before adding in your saltfish, you just want to make sure that your saltfish is washed and also soaked in water. And once that's done, chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to add in your onion. Everything is going to be minced. So your onion, your pepper is going to be minced. Your minced pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. Then you're going to mix it all around. And you don't have to mix it all around at this point. I'm just really particular. I did not want the saltfish to be sticking together. Alright, so now we're going to be adding in our powder seasoning. So first we're going to add in our all-purpose. You're going to add in some chicken seasoning. You're also going to add in some black pepper. Now you can season to taste. I actually did end up adding in some more seasoning into this. You want to make sure that the whole batter is seasoned, not just a little bit of seasoning. So now I'm going to add in some water, and I basically eyeballed this. I add about like a half a cup of water in each time. And excuse me, I was making a reel, so please follow me on Instagram at my 2 left hands. And as you can see, I'm adding more and more water each time. Alright, so now some people, they do add in some curry. I add in a orange coloring. I'm going to add it down in the description box down below. And this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a pancake batter. You don't want it to be too thin. You don't want it to be too thick. And obviously there's some chunks of the seasonings in there, the saltfish. That's okay. Alright, so in a medium skillet with some oil, you're going to add in your batter. I normally do just 4 at a time. I don't want to overcrowd the pan. And just like pancakes, you want to watch the edges of the fritters. Once it starts to turn like that golden brown, you want to flip it over. And what I do, I just check to see if it's brown. Please don't judge me by my flipping skills. I do not have the best flipping skills in the world. So once your fritters is done, you want to drain off the oil and add it to your plate to the side. And just keep on making more and more until the batter is done. Now this is the finished product of our fritters. It looks so golden and delicious. You can eat this at morning, night, or noon. I can eat it at any time. You can also eat this with callaloo or ackee and saltfish, or you can eat it by itself. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you next video. Thank you for watching.